Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berteloot from Nytro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Tuesday, April 15th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. Researchers have developed Dolphin Gemma, an AI model designed to facilitate communication between humans and dolphins. Using 4 decades of collected data on Atlantic spotted dolphins from the Bahamas, the large language model aims to translate and mimic dolphin vocalizations. Partnered with the cetacean hearing augmentation telemetry system on modified smartphones, Dolphin Gemma will help establish a shared vocabulary between the species. Initial tests include teaching dolphins synthetic whistles for common objects. From dolphins to developers. OpenAI is advancing its ambition to develop a new AI agent, ACE, aimed at entirely replacing software engineers by performing tasks such as app creation, quality assurance, and bug management, according to CFO Sarah Fryer. As part of its expansion strategy, OpenAI has embarked on the $500 billion Stargate project to enhance its data center infrastructure, paralleling Amazon's AWS model. This endeavor will support its AI models, including the emotionally intelligent GPT 4.5, facilitating their capabilities beyond technical uses. Shifting from engineering to espionage, Chinese cybercriminals, known for sending millions of scam text messages monthly, have expanded their operations globally, utilizing a tactic called smishing to trick recipients. These messages often impersonate reputable organizations, prompting users to enter personal details on fraudulent websites. Renowned for their adaptability and sophistication, groups like the Smishing Triad have targeted over 121 countries, registering thousands of domains to facilitate their scams. Recent findings by Resecurity indicate these groups are deploying advanced tools to manage stolen data and continually enhance their fraudulent schemes. Experts suggest targeting supply chain weak points to curtail their rampant success. Now, from scams to streams, Tubi has launched a unique marketing strategy focused on rewarding fans who actively promote their content. The company's CMO, Nicole Parlapiano, emphasized that their approach involves listening to and celebrating fans rather than traditional influencer engagement. Recently, Tubi sent self-care packages to dedicated fans, such as Simone Cromer, known for her Timothée Chalamet stan accounts, acknowledging their support. Tubi's marketing team actively tracks social media to identify and reward these fans. From fan culture to functionality, OpenAI has introduced the GPT 4.1 family of AI models, offering significant advancements in coding capabilities and cost efficiency. The new models, including GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1 Mini, and GPT 4.1 Nano, are designed to handle up to 1 million tokens, greatly enhancing processing capacity. Targeted at enterprise applications, these models improve on instruction following and context understanding, boasting a 26% reduction in costs compared to prior versions. And finally, from enterprise to education. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into education, teachers face a dilemma. They embrace AI for administrative tasks, but remain cautious about student usage. Educators leverage AI to streamline grading and tutoring, raising ethical concerns, particularly regarding fairness. Meanwhile, companies like Google and Microsoft heavily promote AI tools for student research and teacher planning, claiming transformative potential in learning environments. Administrators struggle to filter essential technologies from marketing hype. Despite controversy, schools like Dallas are incorporating AI for educational and administrative purposes, recognizing its significance in preparing students for the future. However, concerns about reliance on AI persist, with educators like Mike Sullivan reconsidering technology's role in maintaining academic integrity, highlighting the nuanced balance schools must achieve.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.